Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Taseen. In this video, I'll be telling you about what kind of disinfectants you should be using to prevent COVID-19. According to the Center for Diseases Control and Prevention, the CDC, they recommend products like Clorox, right here, or Lysol wipes, and they suggest, or they say that those are more effective in killing SARS-CoV-2, which can cause COVID-19. So if you get a chance to buy one of these products like Clorox right here, you want to make sure that you use it at the right concentration. A lot of the times we do not use these products at the right concentration, and that decreases the efficiency of the disinfectant. So if you look at the fine print right here, which you cannot see in the video, but if you buy one of these and look at the fine print, it tells you what concentration. For example, right here, it tells you, for disinfecting, use 120 mils of this and 3.8 liters of water. So that's not much of the disinfectant. And if we feel that by adding more of the disinfectant, we're going to make it more effective, that's not really going to work. You want to use it at the recommended concentration to have your best chances of reducing COVID-19 in your home. These Lysol wipes, they're not always available everywhere, but if you follow up with the stores, I can guarantee you, or I cannot guarantee you, but I think you have a strong chance of getting these wipes. Okay, they're very handy and very nice to use. There's also this thing called Lysol spray, disinfectant spray. I was lucky to get this from the stores here. This is very handy. You can nicely spray surfaces and you can disinfect. However, I want to caution you, when you buy these disinfectants, when you use them on surfaces, do a small trial so that you don't damage those surfaces. Some of the surfaces can be sensitive to these disinfectants. Okay. This is also very handy right here, this spray bottle. I believe it's a couple of dollars or maybe less at dollar stores. Well, the nice thing here is that you have the scale. You can add the recommended disinfectant right here and top it up with water, just any tap water. And then you can nicely, you have this thing to prevent COVID-19 in your home. You can nicely spray down surfaces and use that and wipe it down, to use that to prevent COVID-19. What about gloves? For the average person, if we're going to use gloves to go out for grocery shopping and to go get coffee, Tim Hortons, or whatever we need to do for our daily needs, these gloves are not going to protect you, because this virus is not going to go through your skin. If you're a healthcare worker, or you work in a store where the employees ask you to wear it, that's different. But for the average person, if we wear gloves, it's not going to protect you. And why is that? When we wear gloves, we get this false sense of security. So we wear the gloves, we touch all these other surfaces and that touch our faces, and we feel that we're protected, but that's actually harming you. That's increasing your chances of getting COVID-19. When we wear gloves in the lab, in the microbiology lab, we're always disinfecting our gloves. So we do a small operation or procedure, and then we're disinfecting our gloves all the time. That's not always possible when you're out and about in your car or in the stores. So you don't want to wear gloves all the time. If you wear them at home for certain reasons, for handling certain products or disinfecting, that's fine. But then when you remove gloves, you want to be careful that you do not contaminate your hands. Many people, when they remove their gloves, they actually end up contaminating their hands, and then there's no point in wearing gloves. So I'll do a small demonstration right here. Watch me carefully. I'm going to hold the gloves right here, take this off, and then go like this and take this off right here. So you can see I haven't touched the gloves, and now my hands are clean, or they're relatively clean compared to what was on the gloves. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more videos where I'll be talking about how you can prevent COVID-19 in your home.